Welcome to a video where we will solve a percentage decrease problem. In this video, we will look for the original and current value given the percentage decrease. Let's get started. Let's start by reading our problem statement. A basketball player's rookie card decreased in value 39% over the past 6 years. This was a decrease of $6. What was the value of the card 6 years ago? What is the current value of the card? Round the answer to the nearest cent. Let's start by making sure we understand the problem, what we're given, and what we're looking for. The first thing we see is that the card decreased in value 39% over the last 6 years. We also know that the amount lost was $6. Since it says what was the value of the card 6 years ago, we know we need to find the original value and the current value. Let's take what we're given and what we're looking for and set up and solve an equation. Since we're looking for the original value, let's let the original value be denoted by the variable x. We know that the card lost 39% of its original value, so this means that 0.39 times the original value is equal to the value lost. Or in other words, 0.39 times x, which is our original value, is equal to 6 because we know the card lost $6. In other words, 39% of the original value is equal to 6. Now that we have our equation, 0.39x is equal to 6, let's solve this equation. To solve for x, we need to divide both sides by 0.39. This gives us that x is equal to 6 divided by 0.39. Now let's use our calculator to divide these two numbers and then round the value to the nearest cent. It looks like rounded to the nearest cent, this would be $15.38. So the value of the card 6 years ago was $15.38. Now let's find the current value of the card. We don't need to write an equation here. Let's look at what we already know. We know the original value of the card was $15.38. We know it decreased by $6. So the current value of the card has got to be $15.38 minus 6, which gives us $9.38. That means that the current value of the card is $9.38. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching.